Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your online hardware store. If you run an online hardware store, then manually responding to product availability and order status can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will respond to these queries and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for online hardware store. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, I'm going to send a hi message. And our chatbot responds us with, "Welcome to our online hardware store, your trusted hardware partner. How can I help you today? Choose an option." And it has provided us 3 options. I'm going to select the first one that says recommend tools. And our chatbot responds us with, "What are you looking for today?" So here I'm going to say plumbing. And it has provided us with the image of recommended tools. And it says these are the recommended plumbing tools. You can select other options as well, such as electrical. And it will provide an image of electrical tools like this. We are going to move on to the next option that says product guides. So I'm going to click on it. And our chatbot responds us with plumbing tool guide. Here's what you might need for plumbing jobs. And it has provided us all the recommended plumbing tools. Similarly, it has provided us electrical tools and painting and finishing tools as well. So lastly, I'm going to click on track my order. And it responds us with, "Please share your order number in the link below," and it has provided us with a clickable tracking link. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create it, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now. And it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next, we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up, we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here, you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up, we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up, we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Online Hardware Store. On the screen, there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex, and regex is short term used for regular expression, and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template, and when we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates. We can choose any template to send to the user. Now I'm going to create our first message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add a welcome message. Like this. So let's begin with recommend tools. Here I've added this message, browse tools, what are you looking for today? And now I'm going to add some quick reply options for tools. Like this, plumbing, electrical and paint finishes. So let's curate a recommendation for each one. So here with the help of media option, I'm going to add a media type as image, and here I'm going to recommend a plumbing tool. Like this, and as soon as you upload the image, a URL will be pasted here automatically. So here I'm going to add a caption like this. These are the recommended plumbing tools. Our message will appear like this to the user. Similarly, I'm going to curate a recommendation for both of these by accessing the media button. Like this. And similarly, I'm going to write here are the recommended electrical tools. So here I've added for electrical tools, and lastly, I'm going to add a recommendation for paint and finishes with the help of media button. Images. So here I've added recommended tools for painting and finishes. So this is how we have created our first response. Now we are going to move on to the next, that is product guides. So here I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add guiding message like this. Our text will appear like this to the user. Here I've added all the guide for the recommended tools and more. Lastly, I'm going to curate a response for track my order, and for this I'm going to add a text button again, and here I'm going to add this. Our text will appear like this to the user. Here we have provided a tracking link, and this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for online hardware store. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you have created your flow, you can save it from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.